Hi there, this is Enes with AZ Sun Solutions. I want to take a minute and show you our install that we did at this home. We installed 4 retractable screens. 2 of them are hand crank and two of them are motorized. I'll walk around and show you guys how the screens look since we do have them in a down position. And then also the fabric, how nice and taut it looks when it is in down position. As you can see, this one is on a hand crank since it is the sides. Smaller screens, a lot easier to use a hand crank to bring them up and down compared to the 2 bigger ones that we have here. And we literally got these on motors. I'll start off by bringing both of them up. Oh, that's one. There goes the other one. I'll wait till they're both rolled up and then I'll walk around to show you guys how our system is installed. So all of the screens that we install, they come on tracks on the sides, which are these guys right here. And that's actually what keeps the screen all nice, and also when it's a windy day, it's not blowing in and out, and then also it's not chunking away at the stucco, as you guys are familiar, or you guys seen some screens before that come with cables, and when it's a little windy, they'd be dangling in the wind. So show you guys the other one on the side that's also a manual hand crank. So we got this one halfway up, and then we also install these little brushes at the bottom, so when the ground is not leveled, this actually fills in the little gaps, as this is bug seal patio enclosure. As you can see, looking from the inside, we had all the gaps so no creatures can crawl in. And then also from inside looking out, as you can see, you don't lose no view at all. These homeowners do have a ceiling fan here, as you can see, and that does help circulate the air here, and it does cool down the area by like 15 degrees, maybe even 20. I'll put both of them up again, as when they are retracted outwards, the bottom bar is not visible from the inside, and also when you're looking from the inside, you don't have the bottom bars or even the screens in your way, in other words. So just retract them back out and you got your whole patio back again. You guys can also hear the motors. The motors are not loud or anything. They're not hesitating. They're just doing their job, bringing the screens down, in other words. Our screens are rated at 120 mile-an-hour winds. So here in Arizona, the only times that I would keep an eye on my screens is during the monsoon season. Other than that, they can literally be left down all year around. Thank you very much and take care. Bye.